హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. తెలంగాణ గ్రూప్ 1 2024లో 149 ప్లస్ ర్యాంక్స్, తెలంగాణ గ్రూప్ 2 2024లో 220 ప్లస్ సెలక్షన్స్, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ గ్రూప్ 1 2023లో 43 out of 110 officers are of Civic Center IAS Academy. This says about the credibility of Civic Center IAS. Civic Center IAS believes in relevance, responsiveness, and results. We have the results. Now, Civic Center IAS Academy is starting Telangana Group 1 Prelims cum Mains Classroom and Mentorship Program, as well as Andhra Pradesh Group 1 Prelims cum Mains Mentorship Program. The admissions are in progress. On the auspicious occasion of Vinayak Chavati, Civic Center IAS Academy is providing 20% flat off on the course fee on Telangana Group 1 and Andhra Pradesh Group 1 classroom programs. So, if you want to become the next officer and if you want to see the technique followed by Civic Center in achieving your success, join now itself. The offer is valid till 27th of August 2025. Join now. Thank you.